how to fix phone flickering on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like phone screen flickering on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option General. Okay, so from your tap on the option Software Update. Alright, so from the software update section, make sure that you have updated the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to just tap on the option update now, and after you update latest version of iOS on your iPhone, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section again, you'll have to just go the options like display and brightness. Alright, so from this section, make sure that you have to turn off these options like automatic from here. So after you turn off this automatic feature from here, you'll have to just scroll down, and again you'll have to just turn off the options like true tone. So you have to just turn off it also, and after you done it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section again, tap on the option accessibility. Alright, so from here, tap on the option motion, and now from the motion section, you'll have to just turn on the options like reduce motion, and after you turn on this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the section again, you'll have to just tap on the option General, and now from the General section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from here, you'll have to tap on option Transfer or Reset iPhone, and now from here, tap on Reset. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just tap on the option Reset All Settings, and after you reset all of the settings on your iPhone, you'll be able to easily fix your iPhone flickering problem on your iPhone. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from there, and from the General section, again at the bottom of your screen, tap on the option Shutdown, and after you shut down and turn it on your iPhone, you'll be able to fix that problem. So these are the easiest and simplest method. So after you done all of the procedure from here, if you are still facing that problem, it means that you have any problem on your hardware. So for that, you'll have to just visit any Apple store, or you can also review it on your authorized repair center on your iPhone for the professional diagnosis. So after you done that, you'll be able to resolve that phone flickering problem on your iPhone. So these are the methods to solve that problem. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.